This is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1968 Pontiac GTO. This is a true GTO. It's got a numbers matching 400 high output. It's a Ram Air car, and we're going to take a look at it. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We're going to take a look at this beautiful 1968 Pontiac GTO right here today. Like I said, it's finished in beautiful red with black interior, hideaway headlights. It's got the tack in the hood. Just a beautiful GTO. These are our fan favorite. Everybody likes the GTO. Some people call them the GOAT. Don't know really how they get that from GTO, but that's a conversation for another day. So we're going to take a look first at the passenger side of the interior. All the interior is finished in beautiful black. Really nice, all the wood grain on the dash. $500 steering wheel right there. It's kind of hard to believe, but that's true. Really looks good there. Super clean. All the doors look good. Paint and body work is excellent on the car. Just a really clean car. Show you inside the trunk here. All inside the trunk's finished beautifully. It's got the spare tire and the trunk mat. I'll show you underneath this trunk mat. Oh, I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. Really looks good. So, spare tire and everything. It's got the sticker. I'm gonna shut the trunk here. He's gonna start it up for me. Really sounds good. Door buzzer even works on the car. I'm going to show you the driver's side of the interior here. It's got tilt wheel. All the horn works. Everything works on it. Really, just really clean. Yeah, we do have the, I believe we have the Protecto plate that goes with it as well. So we have some paperwork that goes with the car. Makes it really nice. So, show you underneath the hood here. All the emblems look good. Brand new wheels and tires. Those wheels and tires are not cheap, and they look great on the car. So, really clean. All right, underneath the hood, like I said, it's powered by a 400, numbers matching, power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning. Just a really nice car. We need a little bit of glue to put that down. We'll do that. That's no problem. On that breather, needs a little glue on it, but we'll get that. That's no problem. So, like I said, all numbers matching. It is a YZ block, as you can see right there. YZ. So the VIN number is down below that. I can get a picture of that to you if you would like to see it. It is a numbers matching car. We're going to shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at the 1968 Pontiac GTO. If you have any questions on this car, give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We're going to take this beautiful Pontiac GTO for a test drive and see how it does. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton, and you can see more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, here we go for the test drive. We're going to take this 1968 Pontiac GTO for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. I'll show you the tack working there. The dash. All of the gauges and everything look good. Show them those blinkers working there, Greg. There's the blinkers working. Tilt wheel. Show them the horn. air conditioner working? Let's see here. Let's see what we got there. There we go. Yeah, so you got to hold your mouth right, like my dad used to say. He always would say, you got to hold your mouth right or you can't get it to come on. But air conditioner is on, and here we go for the test drive. As soon as the traffic clears out just a little bit here. Got a couple of cars coming. Everybody's going home to watch the something, I'm sure. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Well, got a few cars. Runs and drives great. It's got excellent power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just a really, really nice car. Those wheels and tires don't shake or rattle. Just an excellent, well, GTO always was one of the best driving cars that you could buy. It was just luxury back in the day. We're gonna turn around and head back here, and like I do every time, I'm gonna have him get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this GTO is made of. Excellent power. The car will absolutely fly, and that his and her shifters super nice. You can drive it on either side, get it closer to your lady, and it just makes it nice, smooth driving car. We are almost back here. We're going to show you what it looks like underneath. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. The more likes we get, the more muscle cars we can show. So just help us out with that. And if you have any questions, give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, here's the underneath.